Hello, friends. Today we have a wonderful runner with us, Irina Hazarika Barua. Welcome, Irina, to our session.
Hello, Sandeep. First of all, thank you for inviting me to this one. I want you to know that it is something very wonderful that you have started, introducing runners and all sort of people to other people so that people come to know about them. So I wish you all the best for your journey to this one.
Thank you.
And thank you for inviting me.
Thanks. It is a pleasure for me to speak to runners like you and share your journey with me also and with the other fellows also who are just watching this video right now. Okay. I think now we are on the screen. Okay. I just wanted to start with a simple question: that what made you start your journey? That is running journey or maybe marathon journey, whatever it is.
My running journey is it is a very funny story. It will take some time. 2014.
Sure. Take your time.
I and 3 and 4 of my friends, we used to go to a very popular field we have here, Judges Field. We used to go early in the morning to do yoga. So all of us used to do yoga. And my friends, before they would start yoga, that field was around 300 meters. So they used to, go round and round the field, 4 or 5 circles they used to run 4 or 5 times around the field. And then they used to start yoga. But I never used to run, I used to sit there. So my friends used to say, come Irina, come, at least ek round to do. And then I used to say, no, I'm not going to run. I don't want to run, And I used to sit there and I used to look at them. And I used to think, what has happened to these people, going round and round and round this for? What are they going round and round for this towards the field? So then in 2015, Milind Soman brought Pinkathon to Guwahati, the first edition. And my friends knew I had a big thing for, I was a very big fan of Milind Soman. So that they told me that if you want to meet Milind Soman, you will have to start running. And Sandeep, for Milind Soman, I started running. I started practicing. Pinkathon was in September, I think, in 2015. So I started in August. So I started with, I think, 200 meters. I used to travel 9 kilometers to one place which is known as Khanapara. And then I started with 200 meters. 200. Then next day I would do 250. And that time I did not know what was tempo. I did not know that I had to take rest, and I did not know anything. I just knew that I had to go every day and I had to, practice running. So then I practiced up to 6 kilometers, and that was my first event. I did my first 10 kilometers. During Pinkathon in Guwahati 2015. So actually, I'm very grateful to Milind because it is because of him that I started running. I came into the world of running. And after that, I have never stopped running, So slowly I took over and then I did 10K, then 21K, then full marathons and all that. I kept going on. So that is my starting, how I started running.
So that is starting journey.
Yes.
Which year was that?
That was in 2015, and so I'm always grateful to Pinkathon. Whenever we have Pinkathon here, I get very busy. And everyone knows in Guwahati, everyone knows that Pinkathon is here means I don't have time for anything else. Because I'm very grateful to the event which has got me started, with running.
Wonderful, nice to hear that. I think, and before 2015, you never ran any run or any.
No, I'm telling you, when my friends used to run in that field, and I used to think, my God, what are these ladies doing? Why are they going round and round? What is going to happen to them with this one? And they used to tell me, please come and do at least one round of the field. And I used to say, no, I will not do. It was I was never into running before that. One. In school, I was very, very active. That is a different thing. When I was young, I was very active. But then afterwards, I have, no, I was not at all interested in running, and that's the.
And any sports background in your family means from your side or from your hubby's side? Any sports background?
My husband used to do taekwondo when he was in college.
Okay.
When he was in college, but I was very, very active when I was young. Sandeep. So, school से घर आने के साथ have change my clothes and then go out and play. to go out and play. So I was very active. We used to play so many things when we were young that time. You remember Gulli Danda and marbles and catch and catch, I Spy. Children don't play all these nowadays, but we were doing all that and running and skipping. Skipping was my favorite. Skipping, we used to skip and all. Na? Catch and catch. We used to play all those games. I was very active.
Body movement was very much during our childhood days.
So maybe that has helped me. So I don't know.
Nowadays I see kids playing cricket, kids playing football only on mobile. Tuck, 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 tuck.
I know.
So I really pity these fellows, because cricket and football ये कोई ऐसा मोबाइल पे खेलने वाला गेम थोड़ी है. एक फील्ड में जाकर दौड़ो, बारिश में दौड़ो, कीचड़ में फुटबॉल खेलो, वो खेलने का मजा ही कुछ और है. जब हम लोग खेलते
थे. I know, Sandeep. How we used to play in the rain, no? My God, that was
rain football was our favorite game. We used to just rain आया, फुटबॉल निकाला और कीचड़ में.
We used to fly kites also.
Yeah, kites.
We used to fly. I don't know how to make kites. And कितना गिरते थे, कितना चोट लगता था. And we never used to come and complain also. बस हो गया, गिरे, उठे, and again, perfect.
Okay, Mr. You have been born and brought up in which city?
See, I stay in Guwahati now, but my father was in IOC. So we were in a transferable job. So I grew up in Bihar, Barauni. Okay. So my initial years, maybe till I was 11 or 12 years old, I was in Barauni. Then we were transferred to Haldia, Kolkata. And then ultimately I got married and we are here now in Guwahati. So I am basically from Guwahati.
Yeah, you're basically from Assam.
Yeah, from Assam.
Right. Actually, from farm with northeast side से पहला runner है आप, जो मतलब we are just connected with you, and thanks to 100 days of running, जिससे we got connected to each other.
Wonderful. That was in 2018, I think.
Yeah. The 2018, that was my first edition for HDOR. HDOR has a very big
100 days also. It has played a big role in my running. 100 days of running. So Pinkathon and 100 days of running, everyone knows. I promote, whether I'm an ambassador or not does not matter. I always promote these events. 100 days also, it got me. It has. Every year that 100 days of running comes, I used to train myself. That event I was using to train for other events. Wow. So suppose in 2017, I used 100 days of running to practice for my first FM. FM, then I did Tata Mumbai Marathon, first FM. In 2018, throughout the 100 days of running, my coach made a plan. He was my friend. So he made a plan for me to take part in my first stadium run. So throughout those 100 days, I practiced for the stadium run, which was in August. So as soon as 100 days of running finished in 2018, I went for the stadium run. So that way. Last year, 2019, I did 100 days. And then I did that intercity run. Pinkathon had one intercity run, in Guwahati, from Tezpur to Guwahati. So because I had practiced through 100 days, so I could, easily, run from one city to another. That was 160 kilometers from Tezpur to Guwahati. That was in November 2019. Every year, 100 days of running has. Yes.
आपकी फिटनेस का राज क्या है? मतलब इतनी अभी आपकी एज क्या होगी आपकी अभी?
18 till I die, Sandeep. 18 till I die. No other age.
Okay. But can you say 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 40?
No, 18 till I die. No range. No range.
तो कैसे क्या इतना स्टैमिना कैसे बिल्ड किया? At this age you are running so long distances, आप इतना करते हो? मतलब what is the secret behind your fitness?
I don't know. That's what I said. Maybe I was very active and when I was young. So maybe this has helped me now. And plus I practice a lot also. It is not that whenever there is an event, I practice for the event. Okay. Suppose I have to go for a full marathon, I will take 2-3 months to practice. Suppose there's stadium run, I take 4 months to practice. Okay. So I practice a lot. I never go to any events without practicing. So maybe that helps me in my running. Yeah. But I can do, I'm not a very fast runner. I want everyone to know I'm not a very fast runner. I'm a slow runner. So, but I can run long distances because I run slow. Maybe that's why I can. I love to run. So maybe that is how I keep on going.
Okay. Nice to hear that. Your journey is quite inspiring, and I think you started only in 2015. So the 5 साल में आपने जो किया है, that is really wonderful. और अभी जो आपने किया है, उसके लिए मतलब मेरा सलाम है. 21 half marathon for 100 days continuous. Really.
I told you during 100
दोनों हाथ
days.
जोड़ के आपको.
ऐसा नहीं, but I told you during 100 days I always practice for some event. So during this 100 days I did not have any event because of Corona. There are no events now. So I was thinking what to do. Then I thought I will do 21 into 21 days. Because last year one Anil Kumar, Anil Kumar Mohapatra from Odisha.
Yeah, I know.
Last year he had done 21 into 100 days. So I thought I will do 21 into 21 days. So I spoke to Keshav and Keshav said, "Aap 21 into 21 days kijiye." So I started with 21 into 21. Keshav Manik Tala.
Yeah, okay.
So he said, "Aap 21 into 21 days kijiye." So I started, when I did 21 days, then I extended it to 40 days, then I extended it to 50 days, then I extended it to 100 days. And Keshav was in fact telling me कि आपने तो कुछ आप किसी रिकॉर्ड के लिए चले जाओ ना, क्यों किसी रिकॉर्ड में ये डाल दो, क्योंकि ये तो बहुत it's a very big achievement. So I said I was very happy that I had done it, Sandeep. And it is not that I ran every day. I was walking because it's not it's not that I go out and start running 21 days every day. So but I was happy that I could do it. It was very difficult also. Suppose subah barish ho, suppose there's rain in the morning, so I could not go out. I had to go in the evening. Evening jana means you cannot run in the streets. We don't have, our stadiums have all been converted into Corona centers now. So we don't have any place to run. We run in the streets. So going out in the streets with the traffic and all, so I used to walk on the footpaths. And that was more difficult because it used to take 4.5 hours. It would be torture for me. But I'm glad that I finished it. एक टारगेट लिया था, तो मैंने फिनिश किया 100 डेज की वजह से, क्या जो भी हो, तो फिनिश किया. So that is my achievement. That is, I feel good. I did it.
Wonderful. A big clap to you from all the running community की तरफ से. A big clap for your 100 days, 21 half marathon, every day for 100 days continuously. Very well. तो अभी जो ये जो आपने फील किया था, मतलब आपके जब आप दौड़ती हो इन लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस से, तो आपके माइंड में क्या चलता रहता है? बिकॉज लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ऐसे से इट इज टोटली अ माइंड गेम, मतलब आपका दिमाग है. So how you do that mind training?
But all my long distances, all my long distances are, suppose at TMM I go, there are so many people around you. So you are just looking at the people and you're looking at those, the whole house, someone is running, you're following someone. I don't know what, I don't think of anything because that whole atmosphere, and especially stadium runs. I love stadium runs. They are my favorite. When you are in the stadium, there are so many people around you, and then they will come and they will, ma'am kuch kha lo, ma'am kuch pee lo, ma'am medical karao, ye karao. Your friends who will be cheering you up. So you don't have time to think of anything, And so in events, it is not difficult to run. You have so many people around you. In fact, when I did that Guwahati to Tezpur to Guwahati run, that was very difficult. Because what happened, I'll tell you about that. It is the spirit of Pinkathon run. Pinkathon, if you know about Pinkathon, what Pinkathon does, in every city before the main event, they have promo events. So spirit of Pinkathon is, they train the ladies and they make them run from one city to another city throughout India. So in Guwahati, we never had spirit of Pinkathon. So last time Milind Soman came and he said he wanted to start spirit of Pinkathon in Guwahati also. But that time we did not have any ultra runners here who could run from one city to the other city. And I was the only one. So Milind Soman asked me, will you be able to do it? Will you do it? I said, no, I want to do it because if we don't do it this time, it will never happen. So he said, but you'll have to run alone. I said, it is not a problem. I will go. So he got he got a crew for me, one driver, and there was another Pinkason ambassador, and they were behind me with a vehicle. So they followed me. I was in the front, and they used to follow me the whole way. The whole way they used to follow me. But I took 3 days to cover that 160 kilometers. And it was, I covered 50 kilometers, 52 kilometers I was covering each day. But it was very difficult because I was running on highways, in the afternoon. And it would be so hot, Sandeep, I can't tell you. It would be so hot. I don't know how I completed those 3 days. But one thing is for sure, Milind Soman was so concerned about me. Every hour he used to keep, in touch with the crew. And every half an hour he used to ask what was I doing, how was I doing, was I okay, was I drinking, was I eating. So he took great care of me. In fact, before the event was supposed to start on 14th November, on 13th November, he kept on messaging me. He kept on telling me, don't be scared. How are you feeling? And then I was telling him, I have got 1,000 butterflies in my stomach. And then he used to say, no, don't worry, it'll be okay. Very supportive, Milind. All through the tree. And the first day he traveled from Guwahati, we traveled to Tezpur in a car. So from there, we started. He and Ankita had also gone. So the flag off was from Tezpur. So they ran 21 kilometers with me. And then they came back. After that, I was alone. Again, on the third day, he went. He went halfway and he ran some time with me. And then he came back. So I got full support from him and full support. So that is how I could finish it. It was very difficult, that journey, because what you're saying, what do you think when you run? So when you are alone, it is very difficult to run. But when you're with company, long distances don't matter. It doesn't make any difference. No, because you've got so many people around you to.
नहीं, अभी आपने जो 100 days जो आपने किया है, right? 100 days every day 21 किलोमीटर. तो
21 किलोमीटर.
नहीं, वो अपने पावर कहाँ से लेगा? सवेरे सवेरे उठना है, मुझे करना है. तो from where that the power came?
ये लोग करना ही है ना, करना ही था. मुझे पता नहीं करना है बोल के I had to do it. If I didn't do it, I would feel अच्छा.
बहुत लोग सोचते बहुत है कि हम लोग ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, लेकिन लोगों से होता नहीं. तो आपके अंदर ऐसी कौन सी है पावर? हाउ यू डेवलप दैट? नहीं करना है तो करना है.
पावर मतलब, Sandeep, once I think of something, I call it my bimari. Once I think of something, unless and until I don't do it, it will keep on,
nagging
at the back of my mind.
Yeah, nagging in the mind. Okay.
Yes, nagging feeling. I call it my OCD. So obsessive compulsive disorder, I call it. My children also laugh at me. So it's like, I haven't done something. Why haven't I done? So I have to do it. I have to do it. And unless and until I don't do it, I will not be able to rest. So I did it. And you know what happens once you start doing that 21 kilometers is, it feels as if it is nothing. Now we think 21 kilometers is such a big distance. But once you start running 21 kilometers every day, and then you think, अरे जाना है, जाके finish करके आ ही जाएंगे अभी. It's like that. So you get used to the distance.
अच्छा, उस टाइम कुछ body pain वगैरह हुआ था? कुछ body pain या something?
I'm very, that way, Sandeep, I'm very careful. I'm very scared of injuries. So I was doing, icing, and then foam rolling, stretching, massaging. I always massage my own legs. People ask me how I massage my own legs. In fact, they laugh when I say that I massage my own legs. But whenever I am sitting, I take oil and start massaging my legs. I'm very particular about my legs, and I'm very scared of injuries. So I take good care of my legs.
So in this
I was icing and I was
your entire running journey, have you faced any type of injury or something in the past 5 years? Any major injury as such?
Touch wood. Never. I never had any injury because I told you I'm very careful about running. So suppose even if I get the slightest of pain somewhere, which I feel should not be there, I stop running. I don't run. So in fact, last year during ADHM, I went for ADHM, and the day before the ADHM, I did not take proper rest. I did not take proper food. In fact, I went out with my friend, came home late. I was staying with her in Delhi. we came home late, we partied and all that. And the next day, I got cramps. Luckily, I got cramps when I finished the race. So the cramps were so bad, I could not walk for some time. Then after that, so I don't know if you'll call that an injury or not, but after that, when I returned home, I had registered for a very nice event in Cherrapunji. I have wanted to shift to hill running, no? So that was the hill running. It was it was at a height of 3,000 meters. That run. It was a 50-kilometer run, I think, 45 or 50-kilometer run. I forgot. So I just because of that incident in ADHM, that was in ADHM was in September, I think, and this event was in October last 31st or something like that. But I did not go. I cancelled it. And no, I'm so particular about injuries. So that is why I think touch wood, I don't have.
Okay,
I never had
suppose if you want to suggest the runner how to be injury-free in running, so what kind of advice that you can give? So ये करो तो आपको injury नहीं होगी. तो ऐसे आप कुछ any do's and don'ts?
मैं तो इतनी expert नहीं हूँ.
नहीं
मतलब
अभी आप
ऐसे advice देने.
No, actually we know that you are injury-free. तो आपने कुछ ना कुछ तो follow किया होगा injury-free रहने के लिए. बस वही
मैं बोलती हूँ ना, बस मैं बहुत particular हूँ. If I massage and I do foam rolling, and if I have a long event, suppose TMM and all, and stadium run, तो stadium run होने के कुछ दिन पहले से I start foam rolling every evening, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I do every day, even if I don't run. Okay. So and then icing तो होता ही है, and I'm very particular. I told you, even if I get the slightest of pain anyway, stop running. It might be for 5 days, it might be for 10 days, until and unless it has completely disappeared, I don't run. So that is how I have kept myself safe. That is what I would tell. And you know, I have seen, people here also have seen, you know, they will run 21 today, they will run 42 tomorrow, then they will run 50 day after tomorrow. Here I have seen, you know, I think because they don't know the rules of running. And many are injured here. After a few days, I will see them limping. And I tell them, I told you not to run. Okay. That is one thing. You have to be very careful how you run. Right. When you are running, what speed you are running. So there are so many rules.
And every game has a rule. Yeah. Every game has a rule. You have to follow the rules.
Yes. Right. Every game. Especially when it is physical, you have to be very careful.
Yeah, because I have seen many fellows who are to cope with injury, they have to be out of the running for maybe 6 or 7 months also, just to cure themselves.
Yes.
Yeah, the 6 and 7 months कुछ नहीं करना है.
It takes a long time to heal. बहुत time लगता है सर्दी feel होने के लिए. अरे, you did that push-up thing ना? I was so impressed. You know, we should be doing some, runners are supposed to do some workout and all that. No? But I am very lazy that way. But, I was so inspired by your those were push-ups. Yes.
Yeah. Push-up challenge. Actually,
I think.
Yeah, actually, I took that.
Yes. That was how many days?
No, first challenge was for 50 days. Okay, and after 50 days, I took the challenge for 100 days. The 100-day challenge was put up by this one, my Nikhil Shah, that is a Run Buddies group. So they took that, and I actually, due to my personal reason, I couldn't continue after I think 65 or 66 days. But actually, I was doing, but I wasn't posting it. But I think because of that was not recorded, because I was posted in one company that I didn't have any connection to the net or something. So actually,
65 days is a long time.
Yeah,
it's a very good target.
I used to do daily 200, 300, maybe each day. In this time of COVID, actually, I had we all know. Yes. Yeah, we all know that we couldn't run outside. Okay. So actually, I started. चलो अभी भागना तो नहीं है, तो फिर क्या करना है? तो चलो घर में बैठे कुछ करेंगे. So I just started that push-up. Push-up से फिर my body started developing, muscle started developing. तो ऐसी बॉडी मैं जब से I was into college, तब से मैं चाहता था, लेकिन नहीं बन पाई. अभी ये thanks to COVID बॉडी बन गई.
अच्छा, yes, thanks to COVID, yes.
Yeah. Any so okay, and do you have any advice? Because I think that especially the difference between the male runner and a woman runner. The male runner को कैसे कि अभी मैं मेरे पिछले सेशन में भी मैं यही सेम बात बोलता हूँ, यहाँ पे भी मैं बोलता हूँ। हम लोग का क्या है, हम सब लोग उठते हैं, शूज पहनते हैं, निकलते हैं, लेकिन आपका ऐसा नहीं है, आपको पूरा घर संभालना पड़ता है, ये घर ये करके। हाउ डू मैनेज होम also and your that long distance running also?
See, in a way, I am very lucky because my children are both the children are grown up.
Okay.
You know, so but in spite of that, of course, घर में तो देखना पड़ता है. So I go out early, I come back early. That is the thing. I go out early, come back early because before the children. अभी तो children घर में ही है, so I go out early, come back early before they wake up. Then, but I manage. उसके बीच में ही I do it. उसके बीच में ही. That way.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, now we will just move on to our next session. That is our Facebook photo album session. Okay, I will just pick your.
And I just wanted to tell you one thing also.
Yeah.
I do barefoot running. I think you don't know that. I do barefoot running also. So many people ask me how I do barefoot running.
Barefoot running. Okay.
So
yeah.
To them, yes. To them also, I would like to say that barefoot running people have started, barefoot running. So that is also a process. It is just like running. You have to go slowly from one step, one stage to the other stage. You start with 300 meters, then go to 500 meters, then you do 1 kilometer. So with barefoot running also, you have to be very careful. But I would advise people to go for barefoot running. Once you start barefoot running, you will not be able to run with shoes. In fact, I find it very difficult to run with shoes. So and you get a better mileage out of it also about barefoot running because you don't have anything on your legs, on your feet. So I think it makes my feet lighter when I'm running, when I run barefoot.
So did all you did that 21K per day, 100 days, you did barefoot or with shoes?
No, this one I did not do barefoot because I was running on the roads, but all my TMMs, ADHM, all my stadium, I did a stadium run in February this time in Chandigarh. So those are all barefoot. I did 82 kilometers, I think, in Chandigarh.
Stadium run means
so those are all barefoot.
12 hours you did?
Yes, it was a 12-hour stadium run.
Okay.
Organized by Toughman in Chandigarh in February this year. Yes, I did 82 kilometers. I did it barefoot. And all my Tata Mumbai marathons, all my Airtel Delhi half marathons, I do all my runs barefoot.
Okay, then after doing 12 hours, are you planning to go for 24 hours run, maybe stadium run?
I wanted to go for 24. Before that, I wanted to go for 100 kilometer running, which there's a category in stadium runs, which is known as the 100 kilometer run. So I wanted to do 100 kilometers this time. But there are no stadium runs. And next year, I think there is going to be a stadium run in January in Bangalore. I don't.
I heard also.
But I'm scared to go. I don't know if I will go. Traveling and then going there, staying in hotels. So I have still not decided. So next will, of course, either be a 100K or a 24K run. 24-hour run. Stadium run.
No, you just spoke about hotels. Okay. इसके भी बारे में I have a wonderful feeling. अभी मतलब आपको ये thought कैसे लगता है देखो कि जब एक रनर, अभी आपको पता है कि we are into a running community, right? And running with the community is like a family. Okay. अभी suppose if you come to Pune for a run, and if I am staying in Pune, you don't have to book a hotel. मेरा घर है, आपका घर है, right? My house is your house.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. Thank you so much. I want to say something. In 2019, I wanted to go. I had to go for Tata Mumbai Marathon. So I was wondering where to stay. We have that group United by Running. Sunil Handa.
Yeah.
You know Sunil Handa, na?
Yeah, Sunil Handa. I know.
Yes. So I told in the group where are the hotels where I can stay. I'm so scared to go alone and all that. I said. So Sunilji said, I will arrange for everything for you. You don't worry. So he's in the Navy. So he arranged for me. He arranged it for me, that staying part. And this time in Chandigarh, Venugopal, he is from Jammu.
Yeah.
So when I landed in Jammu, he came from Jammu with his family in his car. Okay. He picked me up from the station. So he works in the Reserve Bank of India. He took me to a guest house there. He took me to the and he said, you don't have to worry about it. He did all the preparations for me. So I'm very thankful to them, and I thank you for your offer also.
Yeah, big salute to Venugopal.
I
He
know
took
runners are
due
there.
care of you. Big salute to the fellows
Yes,
like.
yes.
Yeah, actually,
Yes,
yeah.
Venugopal also. So I did not have to worry. He kept on calling me even before the I was going by. When are you coming? When are you going? What is that? He took perfectly. He took so much care of me, he and his family.
Right. Means actually, it is more than a family. Actually, I think this running community. Suppose I am traveling somewhere. Suppose I am in some difficult situation. Okay, and if I know somebody in that city who is a runner, I take that full liberty to call that runner. That अरे मैं ऐसे फंस गया हूँ. He never thinks जाओ क्या नहीं जाओ. Call आते ही he just comes and helps. So this kind of nature में मुझे नहीं लगता कि रनिंग कम्युनिटी छोड़ के किसी और कम्युनिटी में इतना you can see the unity and मतलब दिल से दिल का रिश्ता जो बोलता है ना, you don't have any blood relations with him, but then also he feels that ठीक है,
but everyone is related. Everyone is related.
Everyone
is related.
One invisible thread is joining everybody. That invisible thread is there.
In fact, you know, Sandeep, I will share one photo with you. In 2018 ADHM, you were in a group that time. We had discussed in the group that we will meet after the event.
Yeah.
So Keshav, Lakshmi, Jagbandhu, then Jatin and Pema, Lemli, so many of us got together. I will share that photo with you. And after the event, we went to some hotel there. I forgot what was the name of the hotel in Delhi. And we had breakfast there. We had never met before.
Yeah, I will just hold you over here because the next session we are having in Facebook. Okay, now we are on to our beautiful session, that is Facebook photo sharing session. Okay, now we will share some photos with Irina, which I have selected myself. Okay, now she can share her beautiful memories about these beautiful persons over here. I can see a round table conference over here. The round table conference.
This is a very precious photo.
Okay, tell.
This is a very precious photo. Okay. That is, this one was taken after ADHM 2018. So we all had decided to meet. We had never met before. You know, there were runners from all across the country. So we decided to meet after after the event was over. Okay. So we had all come to know each other through 100 Days of Running 2018. So 100 Days of Running 2018 has brought many of us close together. So here we have many people from, there's Lakshmi, you can see Lakshmi, she's from Kolkata, and Jagbandhu is there, and Mohit is from Rajasthan. And on the right, you can see Sandeep Majumdar, he is from Kolkata. Then Dhiraj in blue, and then Pema, Lemli, we were from Assam. Then there's, you can see Keshav also. Keshav is there, Jatin is there, Anshika is there, Lemli is there. So we all got together that day. It was so wonderful, you know, that we are thinking of doing it one more time. We were discussing in this. We have a group, you know, United by Running. You are also a member of that group, United by Running. So we were discussing that day that the next event that we have, we should, you know, plan a meeting like this. This is a very nice memory. One of my very fond memories from my running journey.
Wonderful. I will share you the pic number 2 in this slot. Okay, here comes Mitesh, right?
This is Tata Mumbai Marathon 2020. You can see Praveen Sapkal on the right. Okay. Then that is Naman. Naman is a very young kid. Okay. Yeah, there's Naman Kumar. Then Rahul Pandya. He's from that place only. And this is Mitesh Rambia. He's from Nagpur. We all know him. So that was in the exhibition.
Mitesh को कौन बोल सकता है? He ran from Mumbai to Nagpur. Wonderful run.
अच्छा.
Yeah. He ran a run. Mumbai to
Nagpur. He organizes events also.
Yeah. He promotes Nagpur Marathon.
अच्छा.
Yeah, he's a very.
And he's very large-hearted. You know, he will say, "अरे चाहिए ठीक है free registration. इसको free registration. उसका रहना free." He goes out of his way to, you know, get participants.
He's very humble at heart. Very humble. Okay, we'll go for the next pick. Okay.
Oh, this time we finished 100 days of running, and you can see the cake. And I had also finished my 21 kilometer, 21 into 100 days. So we all got together. You know, two of the groups, main groups in Guwahati. One is amateur runners, and one is DSA. So these two groups also came, and we all got together that day on 4th October, and we had a cake cutting ceremony. And these are all the girls from my group, our group, you know, Jayanti Ki Toli. So these are the girls from Jayanti Ki Toli.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We'll go for the next one.
This is also on the same day. See, these are three groups: Jayanti Ki Toli, Amateur Runners Guwahati, and DSA. So we all got together for just to finish the event and also to celebrate my 21 into 100 days. They felicitated me, so I just want to thank them. They have been so loving. They, I was not expecting it. It was so wonderful when they called me, and then they gave me one gamusa. You can see it around my neck. We call it gamusa.
Okay.
A token of respect. They gave me a blouse also. We cut the cake. It was very nice because all the runners, all groups got together. It was very touching for me.
I'm just waiting for the opportunity when I will be a part of this group fit.
Yes, you should come. Yes, you should come to Guwahati someday.
Yeah, naturally. I'll just try to come over there. I just love to go and meet places at the moment. So we will go for the next one. Okay, you know what's it this? All women. Yeah.
Oh, these are the girls of our group, Jayanti Ki Toli. So some of us, we had gone out for running one day, and we had got together, and we wanted to finish 100 days of running. So one day we got together, and that was taken that day. So this is Nabanita, Nandini, and Anjali, me, Neelam, Preeti, Sagatika. So we got together. We had got together.
Wonderful photos are there, and I think some photos will also follow after this one. Okay.
I think this photo, Sandeep, we went for a trail running, and the person who is taking the selfie, he is Dr. Gyan Medhi. So his friends had come from somewhere, I don't know, from outside. So we had gone for this trail running. It's a very nice route, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, we went for trail running. With
full of greenery, full of oxygen. It is, the route.
Yes, it's a very nice route.
Okay. Now, which one is this one?
Okay, this is you can see mainly men. I was in this group previously.
Yeah, एक ही औरत है इस पूरे फोटो में एक ही औरत दिखाई दे रही है मेरे को.
मैं ही एक थी यहाँ पे, एक थी शिलोंग की, वो तो she was out of station always. So we had only 2-3 ladies here in this group. It's a very all these they are very good runners. So some of them are half Ironman. They do a lot of running. And the person sitting in the front, he's a mountaineer. He has scaled so many mountains in so many countries. Wow. He's Manish. And then we see at the back in orange is Kevin Pereira, and next to me is Jayanti Pujari from Program International. They had come to Guwahati. Okay. So I had taken them, and me and my group, we had gone for a run with them. Pujari, and this is Kevin Pereira.
Wonderful. Now we'll go to the next one.
See, this is Jayanti. I want to tell about Jayanti. Okay. She is close to me. So Jayanti has been very instrumental in me opening a ladies group here. Jayanti would always tell Irina, a group kholo, ladies ka group kholo, and teach them how to run, get them into running. Okay. So I made a group here, and it's all, we are around 20-25 ladies. Slowly the group is growing, and the group's name is Jayanti Ki Toli. In honor of Jayanti. Yes.
Jayanti Ki Toli.
Yes, Jayanti Ki Toli. So it is because of her that this group started. So it is Jayanti Ki Toli. I'm very grateful to her. She encouraged me and she supported me a lot in starting the group.
Wonderful.
I have a ladies group now because of Jayanti.
Yes.
Toli. That is Kevin Pereira. Oh, this is the whole Guwahati group. So we had the SBI Green Marathon. last year.
Okay.
And after the marathon, after the half marathon, one of the runners said, Innaba, I want to, please come, we'll take a picture. So I stood next to him. Then another one came. Then another one came. And then everyone kept coming. No, Innaba
Okay.
ke saath photo lena hai karke they keep coming. And then this whole thing happened. I love
Wonderful.
this one.
मतलब
I
हाँ
love this photo. They all, went on top of one another. ना हम लोग को photo खींचना है इन्नोवा के साथ. So this is a very nice one, very good memory.
wonderful,
They
good,
love
good.
me a lot, these boys, ना.
Yeah, running community जैसे हमने बोला ना, it is a very, very, very wonderful community. No other community can match our community. Okay, now who is this one?
This is 100 days running. This is 100. Last year in 2019, I had come for ADHM. So
Okay.
I had met in the ground for the first time. I met Tanveer Kazmi, and the one on my right is Mayank Gupta. They are
Okay.
the owners of organizers 100 days of running.
100 days of
Everyone
running.
knows Tanveer.
Yeah, wonderful.
This is
इसको कौन नहीं जानता? इसको कौन नहीं जानता?
कौन नहीं जानता है? कौन नहीं जानता है? But Sandeep, he is a, I don't know, he has done so much for women. When you go into Pinkathon, you will realize.
Right.
I respect him a lot for what he does for women. Whenever there is Pinkathon, he will have a run with cancer survivors. Then he will have another day. He will have a run with new mothers. They carry their babies and they run with Milind. That is how he encourages them. So one day we all go to a some village, all sponsored by Pinkathon. So we have a lot to learn from him, and how he promotes running, how he encourages everyone to run. It's really nice. If you meet him, you will realize he has got something in him. He's a wonderful person.
One day the day will come when I think we both will go to him. Okay.
Who will go to him?
एक साथ में जाएंगे, मिलने के लिए जाएंगे एक साथ में.
हाँ चलिए.
Okay, maybe after
पुशअप करना पड़ेगा. आप तो कर लेंगे. पुशअप करना पड़ेगा. मैं तो पुशअप ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ. पुशअप तो कराती है.
हो जाएगा उस टाइम.
When we were running now from Tezpur to Guwahati, so people would stop their cars and they would run to him. Ek photo, sir, ek photo. Then he will make them do push-ups in the road itself.
अच्छा.
Then push-ups.
रास्ते पे push-ups.
रास्ते पे. So they had to do push-ups, in the रास्ते पे.
Wonderful.
This is, we do a Mekhla Chadar run. It is only done in Guwahati. Okay. Pinkathon. This is a promo event before Pinkathon starts. So we run from a temple known as Navagraha to Ma Kamakya temple. Okay. That is a distance of 10 kilometers. We run in Mekhla Chadar. This is our traditional dress. And the men, they pacers, they run in dhoti and kurta. Okay. So the first time we had that run, so the ladies were saying, how will we run with Mekhla Chadar, and can we wear a short niche mein and this and that? So I said, no, you please come in Mekhla Chadar. That was in 2017, I think. So they all came in Mekhla Chadar. So after the run, they enjoyed so much. Then the next year, they themselves came and told me, everyone has to wear Mekhla Chadar. No one will come in any other dress. So now this has become a tradition. We went last year also, 2019 also, we ran with Milind. And
Mekhla Chadar means what? Sari or what?
This is our traditional dress. It is not exactly a sari. It is like a half sari.
Half sari?
Like a half sari.
Means
yes, it is
like a stitch sari. Stitch sari or what?
No, it has got two. The sari is just one fabric, na? One long fabric. So mekhla. So we have one mekhla, and this is the chadar. Mekhla is we wear downstairs. It is green color. This lady is wearing. Okay. So that is the mekhla, and on top we wear the chadar. So that is the mekhla chadar traditional Assamese dress.
Assamese traditional dress. Okay. और ये सारे इसके ये धोती और ये क्या है सर के ऊपर क्या बंधा पेटा बंधा?
They have to wear dhoti. These pacers, I made them wear dhoti. I said you have to come in dhoti. So they also had a lot. They also enjoyed.
अच्छा beard वाला बंदा कौन है? That with black beard.
He's Nayan Majumdar. He is a runner cum cyclist. He's a runner cum cyclist.
Wonderful. We'll go to the next photo. ये कौन है? ये smiley face या?
This is my. She also encourages me a lot. She also runs. So she's a very good friend of mine. And when I was doing this 21 into 100 days, so suppose मैं शाम को जाती थी तो रात हो जाता था, then she will call me up and she'll say, Naba, have you reached home or not? Go home. So that way she was with me throughout, no virtual
Wonderful.
support. And this is after I did my Tejpur Guwahati run. So the
Mhm.
next day we had the Pinkathon main event.
Hmm.
That was when we clicked this photo.
Wonderful. ये अकेली कौन दौड़ रही है?
So
Barefoot?
this is the,
Yeah.
this is the temple run, temple to temple
Wow.
run. What I told you about just
Hmm.
now, from Navagraha to
Yeah.
Kamikha, 10 kilometers. This is Mekha Chadar run.
Wonderful.
And this is with Ankita, the same run. So Ankita
run.
also ran with us last year. She came, she and Milind ran with us from the
Start to
10
finish?
kilometer temple run.
Okay. Wonderful. ये कौन सा नमस्कार है भाई? पैर से नमस्कार कर रहे हो आप?
This is Sarthak Malani. Sarthak is Pinkathon ambassador. And you know what is unique about Sarthak? He does backward running.
Backward.
He has done more than Ulta.
Okay.
He has done more than 7 half marathons backward running.
7
And he's a
half
barefoot
marathon
runner.
backward. Okay.
More than 7. I don't know कितने किया होगा, बहुत कर लिया होगा अभी तक तो उसने. So he is Sarthak Malani and we both are barefoot runners. So he said, "इन्ना चलो ये photo खींचते हैं." So we took this photo.
Wonderful, wonderful photo it is. Natural, full. ये कैमरामैन को शायद आपने रस्ते पे शायद उसको सुला दिया आपने.
वो नीचे भी सोया था उसने जब आई वहां से तो उसने ये फोटो लिया.
Wonderful, wonderful.
That is also after the Tejpur run, na?
After this.
So, this is these are my very good friends Aditi and Bakhubi. So they are also runners. We whenever on Sundays we run together. Most of the Sundays we go out, we run together. And these are the other runners of Guwahati. There was some program event in Guwahati by Program International.
Yeah.
So we all had gathered there for the event.
Event. Wow.
These are my friends. This
और
is
इसको तो
Sunil
कौन नहीं
Shetty.
जानता? इसको कौन नहीं जानता?
Everyone knows. Everyone knows. He had come to Guwahati, and then I had met him, Sunil Shetty.
Wonderful.
These are also my friends. On the left, on my right is Rahul Pandya and Anil Sevak. This is Saurabh Sagar. All are there in a group. I had met them during Tata Mumbai Marathon.
Tata Mumbai.
2020. Yes, 2020. This year.
2019, no? Or 2020? Yeah. This year. And which one is this one?
This is Pema, the girl in yellow. She is, no one motivates me like Pema does. She is always there behind me. She's always there to support me. When I went for that Guwahati Tejpur Guwahati run, she was in the core group, which was supporting me, WhatsApp group. And then she kept continuously in touch with my children and my husband and my family, and kept them giving information about me. And she is a very big support for me. Anything I want to do, I just first contact her, Pema, what to do, and then she. And this is on her left is Amit Artist. Amit Artist, he is also there. And then this is Pema's husband, Lemli. And on my right is Sudh.
Yeah.
We had met during ADHM, yes.
Wow.
This is Sunil Handa. You know, Sunil Handa is one of the best runners in India. So he had provided for my accommodation during Tata Mumbai last year. Tata Mumbai Marathon.
Last year.
Yes. So I had met him that time.
Wonderful.
Sunilji.
Wonderful.
Very big fan of Sunilji's, and he knows it.
Wonderful.
Now
who is she?
This is Pema. I told you just now. Pema.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
She's also a Pinkathon ambassador. Oh, this is Becky. I don't have to give any introduction. Everyone, the whole of India knows her.
Whole India knows Becky. Yeah.
Yes. She's a very nice lady. Very nice girl.
Nice photo. Wow.
He made me do push-ups before that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is also nice. Wow.
This is the flag off when I started my run from Tejpur to Guwahati. So Milind and Ankita had gone there. This is the flag off that time.
Wonderful.
This is after I finished my run. You can see my mother just beside me with the small child. Behind the small child is my mother.
Okay. With that brown purse in his in her hand.
Yes, she's my mother. She was so happy, when I finished my run. I mean, she was more
Yeah,
worried
yeah,
that I
proud.
had to, you know, make that run, and she was crying there. She was saying, "मेरी बेटी ने इतना कष्ट किया है ना." People were asking why are you crying. She said, "नहीं नहीं, she did so much of, you know, hard work and all." You know,
Wonderful.
mothers, na, they worry about
Yeah,
all this.
मतलब always. जब तक आप जब दौड़ के वापस नहीं आती तब तक उनके मतलब जान में जाने हैं. चल.
This is in
Wonderful.
the stadium. We have a stadium here.
Hmm.
So before that stadium, before one of the promos, this was before Pinkathon, the main event, we had one of the promos here. So that's Milind. This is after I finished my Tejpur to Guwahati run.
Yeah.
So I met all the ladies there. This is the main event day. So I met the ladies on stage.
And you shared your experience about your run, complete run.
Yeah, short one.
Yeah, short one. Wonderful.
This is Alfredo Miranda. Everyone knows him.
Yeah.
He's one of the very good coaches from Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
I met him in ADHM last year.
ADHM last one. Wonderful.
Oh, again, there's Keshav, and this is Keshav's wife Anshika, and this is Nikhil. On Anshika's left is Nikhil.
Wonderful. Nice pick.
There's Hitesh also, yes. This is Janul in yellow. Again, this is Keshav, and in yellow is Janul. Janul is also a very good runner. He's an ultra runner, and he was there during Chandigarh
stadium run. Stadium run. Okay.
This is the stadium run. I met him there this time.
Okay.
ये तो अपना जतिन है.
जतिन भाई.
उसका स्माइल.
उसका स्माइल ही बहुत बढ़िया. स्माइल से पता चलता है जतिन आ गया.
And to my right is Rajiv Sharma. You know, Sandeep, this Rajiv, when I was doing that 21 every day, every single day, he never missed even one single day. When I would upload my data in Strava, every single day he will tell me, "Ma'am, keep going. It's very nice. You finished one day. Keep going. So he encouraged me a lot. And there was another runner, Rohit. Rohit also every single day he was the one counting down. Ma'am, you have finished 45 days. So now 55 days left. Now 54 days left. Now 53 days left. So he was always there counting. Rohit. So Rohit and Rajiv, they encouraged me a lot.
Thanks, buddies. Thanks, buddies, for the wonderful support that you gave
I could have done it without them.
Irina, yeah, for this one. Wonderful.
I met him during stadium run. This is the stadium run.
Yeah.
Chandigarh this time.
Wonderful.
And this Toughman stadium run, I must tell you, it's very well organized. Okay, these two, I have to tell you about Sandeep on my left, and this is Sandeep Rathore, and this is Gurdeep Kadia.
Okay.
You know, when I was getting tired, this is how you are asking me what you think. So it was the later half, I was getting tired, and these two sat there near the track. And every time I would stop, they would say, "Oh, you cannot stop. You have to keep on running. You have to keep on moving." They won't allow me to stop. You know, and it is because of them that I could cover 82 kilometers. Otherwise, I'm really telling you, मेरा उतना नहीं होता था. मैं उनको जब भी देखती थी, मतलब मैं जब स्टेडियम के उस साइड जाती थी, तो मैं थोड़ा सा पैदल चलने लगती थी. एंड यहाँ पे जब इनके साइड में आती थी, तो इनके डर से मैं दौड़ना शुरू करती थी. So that is how I covered a lot of distance during the stadium run.
Wonderful. अगर ऐसे बंदे हो तो आपका रन कंप्लीट होगा ही होगा आपका.
They encouraged me so much. And this stadium run, I have to tell you this Toughman stadium run, it was so well organized. I just wanted to thank the organizers, Jay Mangla. It was very well organized. बहुत अच्छा किया था. खाना पीना सबका देखना, and you run on a homely. It's a homely atmosphere. You don't feel that you are new here or you're alone. Because this organizer Jay and his sister is there, so they both manage the whole show with their father. So they are all the time there with the participants, pushing them, encouraging them, whatever you want, you know. Last में तो वो मतलब Meenakshi, his sister, track में आइसक्रीम लेके आई, so that we don't lose time, you know. So they were getting ice cream on the track and cold, whatever you wanted, whatever the tracks.
उतने टाइम में आपका एक लैप कंप्लीट हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Good one, good gesture.
This is the stadium run.
Yeah, आप कुछ सोच रहे हो आप, मुझे ख्याल है मैं कोई हो आप. One. Who is this one?
This is again a very good runner. He is Gaurav Kaji. Gaurav, I'm very close to him. He is very dear to me, and this is his daughter. I met him during stadium run, and in 24 hours he ran, I think, 183 kilometers.
183. Wow.
He's a very good runner.
Wonderful,
He
wonderful.
was there in 2018.
Yeah.
2018 HDR, he was one of the toppers, top 10.
Hmm.
Gurdeep. And this is his daughter. So I met him also. In the stadium run. बहुत लोगों से मिली मैं इस बार stadium run. This is my younger son. We had gone to Cherrapunji.
Okay.
My son, both my children and my husband. So this year in January. He's my younger son. He's doing engineering now.
Yeah, good.
This is Cherrapunji.
I think we are done with the photo album. Okay, now we just stop the share. Okay, now we will just now we are into the last part of this discussion. In this, and we have shared all your journey, all your runs and all, how to cope the injuries and all. Now, मतलब जाते जाते, what advice can you give to the women or to the new runners who want to take running as
women
an habit?
Women को तो मैं सबको हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि इस बार when Milind Soman had come this time, he had said that women should always devote some time to themselves.
Okay.
दिन में. क्योंकि what his logic, I liked his logic very much. So he said that many women go to him and they say कि we are working that whole day. We are doing some sort of activity. So why should we again do कुछ और हमें क्यों करना चाहिए? Then Milind said that when women are working, like you said, when women are working, they are suppose they work for the family. सुबह से टिफिन बनाना है बच्चे के लिए, हस्बैंड को ऑफिस जाना है, कपड़ा धोना है, ये करना है, खाना बनाना है. They are working for others. So when you work for others, it is not it is not benefiting you. It is not benefiting you because it is a sort of tension, कि टिफिन नहीं बना, हस्बैंड गया नहीं अभी तक, उनको भेजना है, ऑफिस भेजना है. So he said this is a sort of tension for you. This is not for your benefit. So after all your work is done, at least half an hour you devote. That is why women should devote at least half an hour to themselves. So I also say women should take up running, and किसी भी चीज में हो, या तो साड़ी, आपने तो शेयर भी किया मेरे साड़ी रन में, तो whether साड़ी हो, खाली पैर हो, whether shorts हो, tights हो, it doesn't matter. Dress doesn't matter. Pace doesn't matter. What matters is you just go out and you start running. That is all.
Okay, it was a wonderful time with you, Irina. I really enjoyed a lot sharing all your running memories. This is the first time that I think we are chatting on video, but we haven't met.
Yes.
But we will surely meet one day.
Never met.
One day. That will be, I think.
Everything is virtual now. ये भी virtually हो गया.
Virtually हो गया. Yeah, but that moment will come.
Thank you, Sandeep, for inviting me. And again, I want to say again that this is a very good thing that you have started for runners. All the best to you.
Thank you.
For your endeavor.
Yeah.
It was very nice talking to you.
Salute to your running career. जितना आपने किया है, मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया. Big salute.
18 की हो, 18 की हो तो कर ही लिया और क्या.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.